Welcome to MS Craftshop. Today I want to invite you to a short presentation of the hexagonal-shaped exploding box that I made to order. I used the Born to be Wild paper and extras from the Paper Heaven collection to decorate the box. For the cover of the box, I used one sheet of paper from the Trial of Silence collection produced by Craft O'Clock. The centerpiece is decorated with 3 drawers that can be opened and space for some small items. Additional decorations are moss, sticks and 3D balls from paint art which perfectly imitate stones. Four walls of the box are ornamented with paper compositions, while the other 2 have extra pockets with tags for short notes or greetings. I hope you like the project. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you soon.